Good mornings, friends and family. It's a wonderful day. It's a sunny day. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it.
And
Sean?
I was sitting and I was thinking about a lot of things, and then she told me speak about love. But what I want to tell you is that Christ died on the cross for love. Love covers a multitude of sin. Love is strong. And what I want to tell you is that show love towards people, although they don't want it to be loved. Many people are rejected because they don't receive love.
Yeah,
But in this time, let us show love because tomorrow's not promised to any one of us.
yeah,
But let us just show love
yeah,
towards the next person,
mm,
towards my neighbor. They say, love your neighbor as you love yourself.
yeah,
It's difficult to show it. But let us show love in this season and in this time and in this
mm,
hour. And
yeah. And sometimes, love it's different. It's not always just intimacy. It's like sometimes love is also listening to somebody. You don't know when somebody is going through something, and you just share a ear to listen to what they have to say.
mm,
Because many people, they're out there doing their things, keeping things to themselves because they have no one to talk to. So why don't we just share some kindness this morning to the
mm,
next person out there? Because maybe today that is your soul that you can win for Jesus Christ.
and let us show love in this time, in this season, in this hour. May you all be blessed. Enjoy your day, enjoy your month, enjoy your year. Let us show love this whole month, this whole year. You are blessed.
Amen. Amen. God bless, guys. Love you.